So in the previous video, I introduced you to inverse functions, and in this video, we'll practice how we go through the process. So it is given that f of x is 2x plus 1 and g of x is 3 take away x over 5. Find, first of all, the inverse function of f. So what you do is you start with f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Replace the f of x with y. So start off by writing y equals 2x plus 1. You then swap the x's and y's. What this is doing behind the scenes is it is reflecting your graph in the y equals x line. Then we have this x equals 2y plus 1, which we then rearrange to get y equals. So I will subtract 1 from both sides and then divide both sides by 2. So we get y is equal to 1/2 of x take away 1. So we could write that as 1/2 x take away 1 or x take away 1 over 2. And so the inverse function is x take away 1 over 2. And that is my inverse for f. Okay, let's do the same thing with g now. So g of x is 3 take away x over 5. So first of all, write it as y equals 3 take away x over 5. Then you swap the x's and y's. So x is 3 take away y over 5. That reflects it in the y equals x line. You then rearrange this to get y equals. So because I've got a fraction here, I'm going to multiply through by 5 first. Then I'll add y to both sides and subtract 5x from both sides. Once you're there, replace the y with the inverse function of g. Okay, and we are done. Now, those of you going on to A-level maths, and progressing that way, you'll also have to consider the domains of these functions as well as you're doing it, domain and range, but that is an A-level topic, so we don't need to worry about it here at GCSE.